Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make a brochure in Microsoft Word. Now, in order for us to get started, I just opened a Word here, and then we can go ahead and click New. And here at the top, you can go ahead and basically type here brochure just like so. And you should be able to see here different options for the brochures or templates that you can use as of the moment. Now, let's go ahead and try to find something. So this is a brochure that's divided into 3 parts. Now, I can go ahead and click this one and then click the create button right here, and there you go. So I have the brochure right here. You can go ahead and make some adjustments here. For example, you can go ahead and change the headline title right here, and then down here as well you can go ahead, of course, and make some adjustment just like so. And again, go ahead and customize this one for the colors, shapes. You can definitely do that one as well. All right, now in this case, let's say for example you are done with this one, done customizing this, and you want to print it. And congratulations, now you know how to make a brochure in Microsoft Word.